welcome to another studio vlog. We're in a rush because we're trying to move all the furniture in from the old office to this office, and we have a lot of stuff and it is crazy. We've also picked one of the hottest days of the year. It's currently 29 degrees. We're all very hot and sweaty, but check this view out. As you can see, everyone is enjoying the time on the beach. I am pretty jealous right now. To unload all of the van and bring it all up here, it's a bit of a nightmare because there's steps, so we have to unload big heavy boxes and bring it in here. We also have the rest of this room to paint because we ran out of paint, so I had to go this morning to B&Q. It's been a pretty tiring day, but I'm thanking God for the aircon right now because it's super cool in here. So I'm going to get to work shifting all the furniture. It's going to be a pretty labour intensive day. It already has been. It's now like 2 o'clock. It's been pretty tough, but once this is all done, it'll just be a case of arranging all the stuff, so I'll see you in a little bit. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day now. Yesterday was a pretty hard day. We finally finished moving in, so all the boxes and stuff are currently just everywhere. Look at this. So we really need to organise this at the moment. But Dean is going to finish off by painting up here and finish off the paintwork. And we need to organise through all this. I also have a Patreon exclusive video to edit. And I'm going to set like my desk up here and edit that. And hopefully I can get that out. But look at all of this. I remember the feeling of finally getting the final thing in this room. We literally could cry with happiness because we were like, we did it. We finally got it in. It was a pretty stressful day and it didn't help with the heat and everything, but we did it and we're all in, and that's the hardest physical work done now. So now it's all about arranging and tying everything together and working out where we're going to have things and store things and where the benches are going to be. It's probably going to be a work in progress as we work in the space and figure out what the best, most productive way to have things laid out is going to be. So that's what we're going to work on today. So let's get to work, shall we? And outside is another beautiful sunny day. So we finished painting, all painted, and we've put the desk back and we've still got all of this to sort out. And it's looking a bit of a mess, but look what I found. I found these old earrings that I used to do. So back in the day, when I used to do like conventions and stuff, I used to make these resin, oh it's not focusing, these resin earrings. So I used to print this on a shrink plastic and then I'd coat them in this resin and I'd make earrings. And this is Felix Felicis. I've got some cat ones. These ones aren't coated in resin because before I used to not coat them in resin and then I decided they actually look better in resin. We've got some cute old fox ones, nice and shiny. And there's also a huge bunch of pride pins. Look at this. The thing that I found was this super old Katnipp banner. Look at this. And it says illustrations and gifts, but like literally everyone used to like use this font and like this font. Katnipp banner. We're slowly getting there and emptying all the boxes. It's currently dark outside. Hello. And yeah, look how cool this light looks. And then we've shone the light like where the plant is. We also got this greeting card rack. I forgot to show you. We actually got this for the old office and we never put it up because we finally exchanged contracts. We're also listening to lo-fi music right now. And it's currently 10 to 12. I don't know if you can see that. But it's nearly home time. I'm a little pooped. Slowly getting there, and I'm hoping tomorrow's Friday, I'm hoping we can get everything done and we can start packing. The only thing I don't like, to be honest, is the fact that everything is out on display, and I'm one of those people who are quite minimalist and like everything kind of hidden away, but it is a working studio, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Also, the pink colour on the wall looks really cool, and I just think a big Katnipp logo over there would look pretty epic. So this is it. We're just cleaning up and leaving it all ready to go. I forgot to bring my vlogging camera, so I'm vlogging on my phone, and I'm getting a little emotional because this space, it's weird because I'm not sentimental with items, but I'm really sentimental with spaces like this. Like, it helped me grow as a person, as a business owner. It was just me in my other office just starting out, and then we slowly grew over time, and now it's goodbye. So thanks studio. Oh god, thanks studio for everything you've done, and thank you guys for making this happen and growing out and allowing me to grow as a person, as a business. I'm gonna stop now because this is just gonna be a mess. Goodbye studio number 2. You've been good to me. I hope someone else treats you with respect. Bye communal kitchen. It looks a mess right now. And finally, goodbye to my original studio, the first ever official office that I've ever rented in my life to start my business, and it was such a cozy room. I really miss you already. Goodbye studio. I got this cute little bundle of goodies off the Illustrationist. I got some really cute enamel pins, and she's packaged them up really cute with this little cat on the sticker. Look how cute this is. And you can find her here. The Illustrationist on Etsy. I really like the packaging. Oh, that's so cool. There's a wooden bear pin. A little fox wooden pin. Look how cute this is. Oh, look at these earrings. Oh, they are so cute. I love these. Thank you so much for these cute little goodies. If you want to find it, you can find it over here at theillustrationist.etsy.com. Thank you so much for sending me these. They're so pretty. I can't wait to wear these earrings. Happy Saturday. I'm in on a Saturday and I'm by myself. I've also put hair extensions in. I bought some hair extensions, but the problem is my hair is so thick now it's short. I have to like cap off the plait here. Can you see? Otherwise all my hair sticks out. Anyway, I like experimenting with my hair. I am in the new studio. We kind of have everything set up now. It's going to be a case of the next couple of weeks of working out what is more productive to have things where and everything. Yesterday was like a roller coaster of emotions. There was just so many thoughts. It was kind of bittersweet handing my keys over. There's been so many amazing memories made in those studios, and it was kind of just me going at it alone and trying to build a business. I still had like a part-time freelance job at the time when I first got my first studio, and then we eventually moved into the second one. Emily, my sister, joined us, and then Mike joined us, and then eventually Dean, which is more recently, and now we're here. We're in like a new bigger studio, and it was definitely bittersweet to say goodbye to those old cozy rooms because I really kind of made it my own and put my own stamp on it, and I had a really nice association with working in there, and it was filled with positive vibes. I love working and I love going to work, and having an inspiring, beautiful, cozy workspace is super motivating to me and is incredibly important because a lot of us spend the majority of our time at work, so why not, if you have the luxury, to create a space that is beautiful for you. Even when I used to have a desk job at an office, I would like to organise my desk and have some pretty things on my desks and pen holders and stuff because I just like to have a nice positive space. So it was definitely really sad to say goodbye, but this is why I'm so appreciative of having these vlogs, because it means I'll be able to look back on my time there because I documented it from the moment I moved out of the studio. It is really fun to look back on, and I'm very appreciative that I have those to fall back on if I ever miss the old studio. So yeah, it was definitely bittersweet. It also feels a little unreal that I'm here. it was strange because I was replying to as many as I could on Instagram, those who messaged me, and it still doesn't feel quite real yet. Like, seeing the old studio empty doesn't feel real. So yeah, a little crazy. Anyway, I'm in today because I really need to catch up on Patreon work. So we've got a Patreon video, and we also have a live stream tomorrow going up for the marshmallow tier over on Patreon. So I need to get all that sorted. I'm also behind on my video content. Oh, it's crazy. I've just got so much to do. Moving out is definitely quite a stressful thing to do, so I'm gonna get to work on that, and then I think I'll give you a little tour around the new studio as it is at the moment when we first set it up, and what my plans are, and then yeah, we can see in a few months time if we change it or if it's been a good setup. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work now, and I'll see you in a little bit. The thunderstorms rolled in, and it is that heavy raining that you can't even see the windmills at the minute over here. It's crazy. Everyone's kind of running for shelter outside at the moment. Okay, so I finally put all the furniture up. We got 2 tables over here. They're not going to stay like this. Dean's just using this for restocking stickers at the minute. Put all the stools up. We can't decide whether we're going to have like kind of a long, like put this table next to here and have kind of a long seating area for us all to sit at, and then obviously look out at the sea, or whether we're going to do kind of a square and then have like 1 stool there, 2 stools here and another one there, so we can kind of face each other. I'm not sure. I'm going to set it up maybe later and see how that plays out. We've also put the new eye-bar shelves up. So this is the eye-bar shelves from IKEA, and it works on like a clicking system. So you click the shelves into place with these little metal things that come with the shelves, and then you put a crossbar just to give it extra support. And they're the same ones that we got over here, but this one is a smaller size, and I wish I got the larger ones now because obviously we can store more on top. We weren't actually planning on having any shelves over here because I was going to have all this as pink and then a logo maybe here. Also, this is Ashley. Say hi, Ashley.
Hello.
She's kind of helping out at the moment. Thanks, Ashley. She's Mike's fiance. But yeah, we want a logo here. So the logo was going to go in the center, but now because of the shelving unit, it will look off-center, so we're probably going to have to put like a logo here, a wooden logo. At the moment it's a complete mess in here so far, so I'm not going to do a studio tour yet. We also had some exciting enamel pin delivery arrive, but I'm going to unbox it on camera. I kind of opened the top and seen it was enamel pins, so I'm going to do that on next studio vlog, because I'm pretty sure the studio vlog is already really long. But so far I've got my desk in the corner, but I'm having issues with the light being a bit too bright over here, so it's all subject to move. This is kind of just abandoned here at the moment. And then over here is going to be our little breakaway area where we store kind of tea and coffees. I put a Lennart storage system up, which is what cut my finger, but my finger has restored back to good health, so thank God for that. We're going to get a microwave, and we've got a second-hand kettle that we're going to use. And yeah, this is going to be the place where we can kind of have our teas, coffees, and warm up our lunches and stuff, so that we don't have to walk all the way around the building just to get to the little kitchen area. We also bought this little tap thing that we fill up with water, a dispenser, which means we also don't have to go to the kitchen often. If we want cups of tea and stuff, we can fill the kettle up with this. It's around 5 litres, I think, so this does quite fine, and it looks perfect. And we've been drinking some dilution at the moment. But yeah, the studio is looking a little bit of a mess. We're not quite organised just yet. We're still trying to work, so we're packing orders here. Dean's trying to restock stickers over there. It's just absolute mayhem at the moment, so we really need to give it a good clean. The carpet is a mess. It's just... Oh, hi Mike! There's little horses on the beach as well. How cool. But yeah, it's been a crazy few weeks, and this has kind of been over the course of like a week and a half to 2 weeks since we last moved in. I think it's actually been 2 weeks I've been filming this over. Pretty crazy, but I think I'm going to end this studio vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next week while we try and get in the swing of things. I'll also do a little studio tour, so don't forget, if you're not already, to like and subscribe if you want to keep an update and follow the journey of our business. It's been really fun. I also want to say thank you to you guys for watching and supporting, commenting, liking, and if you purchase from my Etsy shops, thank you so much. And a huge thank you to my Patreons, who without them I wouldn't be able to do any of this. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.